me long ago. There's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it brings a new day.